How to hide your Instagram followers and following list. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and look for Account Privacy. Now, turn on the Private Account option and tap Switch to Private to confirm. Once your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts, followers list, and following list. However, there's one important thing to keep in mind. Instagram does not currently provide a feature that lets you hide your followers or following list from specific friends while keeping them as followers. If you want to prevent a specific person from seeing these lists, you would need to remove them as a follower or block them. And that's how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list, by making your account private. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.